This is part 2 of top tips and tricks of iPhone 14. Number 11 is view the app library. Complete customization of the home screen would not have been possible without the addition of app library in iOS 14. Our guide for the iOS 14 tips and tricks help you to make on it. This app library is present on the rightmost part of your home screen and shows all the app current installed on your phone. They are automatically categorized by Apple so that the library doesn't look cluttered and each category of further suggestions. Make iPhone your cycle buddy. Cycling has grown steadily in light of the population and concern caused by the vehicles, and by providing a health exercise routine, map have now been optimized to for the cycling routine based on the bike train produced in the city. Also the app can be used to provide you with custom voice guides to help you easily travel a path. Take motorist selfies. Take motorist selfies. In addition to improve the shot-to-shot performance